What's going on, you guys? This is AJS Online, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take apart an Xbox and get it ready for hot swapping. My old attempt for this didn't go so well because I figured out that they tried to do the X-clamp fix because it's a Red Ring of Death console, so when they tried to do the X-clamp fix, I forgot that you have to put on the washers. So when I took the screws out, all the washers fell out, and now they're inside the motherboard somewhere. Now, to this Xbox. What you're going to do first is see this little indent right here? You got to pull on that. And the faceplates come straight off. So, set that out to the side. And turn it up like it's regular, you know. Alright, now, you've seen other videos that you have to poke through these little holes and stuff. You don't have to do that, but, I mean, I'd recommend it, but all you really gotta do, so let me set the camera down real quick. Make sure it won't slide. Okay, I'll just set it sideways then. All you gotta do, see this, make room, okay. See this, there's a little indent right here. Take that, you can just pry it off. Now, every now and then you'll break one of those little tong things, but they'll usually look like something like this, like these little hole things. And then if you break one, it'll look like that. It doesn't really matter, because it's all going to be the same anyway, so. Alright, now what you want to do is take the bottom one, do the same thing with it, rip it off. Some can be harder than others. Just make sure you don't bend the plastic, because if you bend the plastic, you're screwed. I'm going to go the old-fashioned way and poke into the holes. You don't have to, though. Okay. This one. Ow. Okay. And then there's another one right here. Poke it out. Okay. You gotta be patient with me, guys, because, you know, kind of slow. So, there we go. And it just comes right off, just like that. So, let me put that with this one, because I'll get them mixed up. But, anyway, if you don't know already how to take this part off, basically what it is, it's, this thing right here, this little latch, I don't know if you can see that very well, this little latch right here, you pull that off with something, and it'll stick on top of this notch. Do the same thing with this one, do the same thing with this one, and do the same thing with this one. This one's a little bit tinier, but you can kind of see it. Yeah, okay. So, I'm just going to use a flathead. Sorry, you can see my hand a couple times, but I'm going to set it up like this and pry it up with a flathead so I don't ruin the crap out of my fingers. More than I already have anyway. Every now and then it'll be hard to pry, but you'll get it eventually. I'm doing this in real time so you guys don't have to sit here and, or so you guys don't let me go too fast and you'll be behind. And then, yeah, I guess that works. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stick it up there, but I'm going to leave it there so it's already pried. Okay, then do that one. And then finally do this little one. Okay. So now you're going to want to pull this case, literally pull it apart from the DVD drive. So just pull it. And it'll look like that. It's a little split. Okay, so let me set the camera down real quick. Let you get a good view of this. Sorry about setting the camera down and picking it up and everything. It's probably causing you guys freaking seizures, but the bottom of the case will come off, but the other side, the top, will not. So what you want to do is you want to have it off like that, and you turn it around. Alright, turn it around. Then you take a flathead screwdriver. You have to have a flathead for this. And see this little hole right here? You got to poke it in there and move it up and down so you hear a little click. Okay, you heard that click there? Same thing with this side. Okay, I heard it. I don't know if you heard it. Okay. 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 Just make sure that, okay, there we go. Alright, and then take these two holes, these two right there, until it snaps. Sorry, hit the camera. Okay, so then you just want to pull the top off. Like, it's gonna break, but it's not. On my other Xbox, it did break, but I mean, it's like 99.9% it will not break. So just pull it off. There we go. Alright, and once it's snapped, you want to, if it does come off, then great. If it doesn't, don't keep trying to pull it or else it will break. Just keep going over the holes that will not come off. So, okay. 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 So, if they still don't come off, then go inside of it and then just take, I don't know how to explain it because you guys can't see it. Right inside here, there's this little lever. You want to take your screwdriver and pop the lever. Yep, it's right there. So, let me just pull it off. Okay, that was a loud pop. Sorry, I should have warned you to turn down your earphones. But as you see, every now and then these things do break because they're plastic, but mine didn't. So. And it's really dirty in here too, because it's all the dirt and crap that people have in their house and all that mumbo jumbo. So anyway, you want to take your, oh, I didn't list the things you need. Okay, I'm dumb. You need a T10 screwdriver, or just a little bit. Mine's a little bit, and you need a flathead and an Xbox. So yeah. Pretty sure you already have the Xbox, and I'm pretty sure you already have the flathead. Take your T9. It's a T9. Sorry about that. Take your T9 and unscrew all the screws, and I will be back when I am done doing that. Also, I would like to say I'm not reliable for anything that happens to your Xbox. If it does break, oh well. Just go get a new one, and yeah. I'm not trying to scare you guys or anything, but there is a chance it will break, but it most likely will not. So, yeah, this is the disclaimer, and I'll be back when I'm unscrewing these screws. I'm almost done. Alright, so I'm done with the screws. So what you want to do is you want to flip it over very carefully. Do not drop it. I forgot a screw. Thanks for anybody who noticed. I saw that screw earlier. I was like, man, I'm going to get to that here in a minute. And we did. Okay. Well, now I'm officially done, so tip it over really carefully. Don't drop it. And gives you a good camera angle here. And just pull it off. Just take both hands and there's gonna be a problem with this eject button you're gonna have. So what you want to do is you want to take the eject button and pull it out a little bit and break it off. It won't, it didn't break, but I'll show you how to put that back on. Just pull it out, well, quote, break it, but you don't really break it, but just pull it off and just pull the case off. And now, this is a really old DVD drive. I haven't seen that before, but cool. Guess I'm gonna have to deal with it too. Okay, let get up here, okay? So now you have your Xbox taken apart. Let's get it ready to hot swap. First thing you're going to want to do is take out your DVD drive. Now it might, no it won't. It won't be screwed in. So just pull it out, but don't pull it all the way out. What you got to do is, see these little wires back here? There's one right here, one right here. Pull the DVD drive out. Just pull it out. No catch, just pull it out. Okay. Just pull these little wires out here. Put the camera down while I do that. Okay. Now once you have your DVD drive out, you'll have it, okay? So I'm going to set this motherboard off to the side and take this DVD drive apart. So what you want to do is you want to have these, you want to have a Phillips screwdriver. So let me find my little bit that I had here. You know what? I don't have to find it. Look for another second. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna go get my handy dandy flashlight, whatever. Screwdriver, flashlight, same thing. Okay, so you take your flathead, or freaking Phillips screwdriver, sorry. I'm just a little tired today. And you unscrew. There's one screw here, one screw here, one screw here, and one screw there. So, unscrew them. And then set them with your other screws. If you lose these screws, I don't know, you're screwed. No pun intended. Okay, so doing this one. Hold on, let me set this. Whoa, okay, we'll drop it. Sorry, headphone users, your ears probably just died. Okay, so you take this screw and you unscrew it. Make sure to push down really hard or else you will strip it, so. And I didn't strip it yet, but I'm about to, so let me find my bit here. Okay. Alright, so I got a better bit. Unscrew them. Okay. Once you have that done, just pull the top off of your DVD drive. You might want to figure out a way to separate them. Yep, so you just take it and pull it. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, so I'll try for about 10 more seconds. If not, okay, I'm just going to sit it down so I can get it off real easily. Okay. Make sure the motherboard of the disk drive stays down. Keep it down. Don't let it go up. Just take the top off. Take the top off of the DVD drive. That's all you need taken off. Okay. So once you have it off, This is different than regular Xboxes, but it's, you know, what I got. So, DVD drive, you get that old-fashioned magnet, that's cool. Yep, and then you have your actual DVD drive. Just make sure this bottom doesn't fall off, because it's going to be a problem if it does. So once you take that off, you need a flat head. And then, let me try and set it at a different angle so you guys can see. You'll probably see me, I know. Scary, right? But anyway. Take a flathead and then just start to peel this little warranty sticker off. This is just a warranty sticker for your DVD drive. You don't... I know my thing fell. Hold on. Okay, I'm just going to cut through it because I'm awesome. Okay, find a better camera angle. Okay. Okay, just let me peel this off real quick. It's old and it's gonna peel into pieces, so let me get it all off. Actually, I will pause the video right now and I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. So I'll be right back. Alright, that drive doesn't have that. They, on the older consoles it's patched, or as you would say, patched, but, I'm just going to do it on this newer drive I just took out of this other Xbox over there. Yeah, my air hockey table is a freaking mess. Alright, well, anyway, let me unscrew those real quick, and I'll be right back when I unscrew those screws. Okay, taking apart those screws. Now I'm trying to make this video as short as possible, so I apologize if it's really long. So, let me find a camera angle I could set this at. I guess it's good. Okay, so let me take this off. Let me take this case off. Again, make sure the bottom doesn't come off. You only need the top to come off. Or make sure the motherboard stays there. That's what I meant. Okay. And I'm really nervous with hardware and stuff because I don't like to mess with it. I mean, I do, it's just I really don't want to break anything because then I'll have to pay for it, so. Okay. Okay, got that case off, and you got the magnet. That's good. You set this regular DVD case to the side, you don't need it right now. The bottom fell off, I don't even care right now. Okay, so... you see this sticker, this little warranty sticker. Let me get this screw out of the way. You see this little warranty sticker on the DVD drive, on the top of the DVD drive. What you want to do is you want to take a flathead, like earlier, and peel it off. This one will come off. I promise you it will come off easier because it's newer. It's not all paper. It's all like laminated and crap, so... don't take it all the way off, just peel it just a little bit. Sorry if this is hurting your ears, because all that stuff, so. Just peel it off to the point where you can get to the magnet. Okay, that'll come off. Just leave it halfway on. Okay, so, alright, so that didn't go too well. The older piece peeled off of the old one, like they don't have it like it usually is, but, I already took this off. I thought it was recording, but it wasn't, and I'm a retard, so, no offense to any retards out there, just saying, I'm a retard. Okay, so... let me put this back on so I can show you guys what it'll actually be like to take it apart. Okay. So let me put it back on here. Alright. So what you want to do is you have the warranty sticker of the new drive. I have a new drive. It'll look just like this. So what you want to do is you want to peel off this little warranty sticker. As I already have, I'll just peel it off. And this little clear thing, just pull it out. And you'll have this little silver piece, and you'll have the little black piece as I'm moving it. So what you want to do is you want to take your, let me set this at a good angle here. Okay, so you want to take 2 fingers on here, 2 fingers on this little black piece, 2 fingers on this little silver piece, and you want to twist this little black piece. Hold the silver piece with your right hand and twist the little black piece to the left, and you hear that little ksh, and they come right in two. So you don't need this anymore. I am going to stick it back on, not very much, just stick it back on just a little bit. Set that to the side, and you'll have this little magnet. Now what you want to do is you want to have, I call it the cup side because it kind of cups, but you take the magnet side down and the cup side up, and put them on together, and then make sure it snaps down into the thing, into the, I don't know, what is it, path? Okay, and then you want to twist it to the right, and it'll stop, and they won't be able to come apart. So, at an actual angle, let me try it again. Put it in to where they sort of interlock. Okay, let me do that. Okay, they're down in the path, and then you do the same thing, but you go right, and it'll lock, and it won't be able to come apart. So, what this does is you take regular disc. I'm gonna try and explain this, but I'll show you a demonstration. This little magnet thing goes on this, and the disc is supposed to be in between that. What you do is you have the regular game disc in the disc tray. Doesn't matter how you put it in, but while the game's spinning, let's say there's a disc in here, you'll have it around like this, because that's how your Xbox will be. So you'll take it, because this is open right here, so you'll take your thumb, you put your thumb on here, and you put your middle finger or index finger right here. I use index finger, or middle finger, because it's easier. So you don't slow it down, as some people say, because it'll laser burn from this laser. You take it and you just rip it off. Now I'm just gonna go and then you take your ISO disc, you put it in the thing, put it in the disc tray, and then put this on top of it, and it'll start spinning. All with this little tray closed. Now that's a little confusing to hear me explain how to do it, but I'll show you a demonstration here in a second. I'm gonna go to my TV, and I'll show you. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm at my TV, and you see I have Modern Warfare 2 in the disc tray, and you see I actually have it in the disc tray. So let me put this controller out of the way, and I burnt my own ISO disc. I'm not going to be selling them because I really don't want to sell them, so I don't feel like going through all the stuff and shipping and, you know, all the good stuff. So you take your ISO disc. I'm gonna do this for Modern Warfare 2. You could do the same thing, same concept for World at War, COD 4, whatever, Grand Theft Auto, whatever catches your eye on. You wanna burn an ISO disc for, and you wanna mod. So let me shut my door. Okay. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to have your regular, what do you call it, disc, original disc in the game. See, I have it. I mean, I don't really want to record on my HD PVR, so I guess that's good enough. So you want to take your controller, and I'll kind of put them up the same thing. Go to your Modern Warfare 2, and you click X. So let me push X real quick. Okay, so you press X, and you hover over install. Like you don't press it, you just hover over it. Now, you're gonna need your controller right next to you, so make sure that's there. And you take your ISO disc. I'm going to try to do this. I don't really have anywhere to set it. So, I don't know where to set this. That's kind of a disappointment. I'll come back when I find a place to set it at. Alright, I found a place to set it. There's not really much light here, but, I mean, I guess you guys are going to have to deal with it. As you see, I have my own little laser pointer here. My own laser. You can burn it with the disc reading laser, but not with the little cat laser thing. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to take it, have your hands, like I told you. I need to set my phone, well, because I'm recording with my phone right now. You just set it where you can't. Alright, so you're gonna have it like I said, and you're going to rip it off. So you're gonna want to put it on and then click install. And I might have done that too slow. But, you know, we'll see. If it goes to 1, then we're good. If not, it'll say disk is unreadable. Alright, we're good. So, that's pretty much it, guys. I recorded this on top of my JTAG, so thumbs up for that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So you wait for it to stop installing, wait for it to say installing complete, and then you play the game. You take the ISO disc out and you actually play the original game because it installs the game on there. So, yeah, guys, if you like this video, rate, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.